If you're looking to create a custom workflow in teamwork.com and streamline your team's processes, this video is for you. I'll guide you step by step on how to set up a workflow that fits your team's unique needs, saving you time and improving efficiency. First off, it's important to know that workflows in Teamwork allow you to automate repetitive tasks and keep projects on track. You can set custom stages, assign responsibilities, and make sure everyone knows exactly what they are working on. This feature is perfect for teams that handle multiple projects at once, and it'll help you save a lot of time and confusion. To get started, first log into your Teamwork account. If you don't have one yet, check the link below for an exclusive, extended free trial and some bonuses that will help you make the most of the software. Now, once you're inside, click on the Projects tab. You'll see an option to create a new project or access existing ones. For this example, we'll go ahead and open an existing project to customize the workflow. Next, go to the Workflow tab. Here, you can add custom stages to your workflow. You can think of these stages like steps in your project. For example, if you're managing a marketing campaign, your stages might be something like planning, design, approval, and launch. To add a new stage, simply click Add Stage. You can name the stage based on the process you're managing, and you'll also have the option to color code it, which is handy for visualizing progress at a glance. Once your stages are set up, it's time to assign them. You can set who's responsible for each stage, and you can even automate task creation. If a task is completed in one stage, Teamwork can automatically move it to the next stage, ensuring your project flows smoothly. Teamwork also allows you to set up custom task templates, so if you're working on a similar project or task again, you can simply use the template instead of recreating everything. This is a huge time saver. If you want to get really granular, you can set up notifications so your team gets alerts when tasks are moved between stages. You'll never miss an update or fall behind again. One of the best things about Teamwork is that you can also integrate with other tools you might already be using, like Google Drive or Slack, which will allow your team to stay connected and keep all your information in one place. To wrap things up, customizing workflows in teamwork.com is an easy way to ensure that your team stays organized, focused, and on track. It's simple to set up, and with a few tweaks, you'll have a workflow that works for your specific project needs. Remember, you can use this software completely free through the link below, and don't forget to check out the exclusive bonuses available just for you. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about customizing your workflow or using Teamwork in general. Thanks for watching.